Welcome, ladies, gentlemen, enchanted. Welcome back to the stream. Lovely. Lovely to see you. Always a pleasure. Gonna pop up my monitor real quick. Make sure stream's going all right. Da-da-da! Boom. I love this soundtrack. I used to play this board game. Let's just whopping that up. Alrighty. Hell yeah, dude. Hey, we're back. Welcome back to the stream. You're making a simple game where you cook, make, and serve pizza. I'll get the demo done, I'll show it on Itch. Nice. Well, hell yeah, dude. I'm using a Chromebook, using Godot. Wow. So I'm assuming you're using Judy script. Very, very cool. Let's see what you're talking about in community games. Ant game is no go, too complicated for me. But I have a new game plan. I'm not leaking anything like that. Most of the demo already. And it's pizza serving. Nice, man. I made I had a Godot idea a while ago, and I never got around to it. Oh, heck yeah, dude! Can't wait to see it when it's up. We're gonna keep powering through on last year's Carbon. I do have a I have a sandwich in front of me that I'm going to eat, and then we'll get into coding. If I need any scripting assistance, I think I know who to ask. Yes, absolutely. Hit me up with questions. Make sure they're, like, directed. I've told this to people before who want to use me for computer science help. Make sure you can phrase the question right. Don't just say, do this for me, or, like, help me get, what does this mean? No, those are all fine, but just, like, just do this part for me? Absolutely not. I answer questions. I don't code for free. Unless it's on stream. Ah! Oh, my darn main menu won't work. That sucks. UI is tough. We'll get there. Just keep chugging along. Follow some tutorials. Read the docs. Read that documentation. Incredibly important. I already lost the assets for a little gag thing I made for a friend of mine. I have 0 art right now because I'm trying to get the simple main menu working. Yep. One piece at a time. That's the only way you can build anything. That's the funny thing about computer science is nothing exists in your program that you didn't intend. It always gets a little heartbreaking. Windows, get the backend up. Tight. I really love this job. It's I'm looking at YouTube right now, and there's a thumbnail of my live in the side. It's got my dumb little mug on there. I have a guy who keeps coming through and telling me I look like Edward Snowden. The thing is, the main menu worked. I watched like one tutorial, and I know how to make it. Change the scene right now. Okay. Keep chugging, man. It's the only way we're gonna get it done. In the meantime, I'm gonna look at a ULAB Hebrews. gonna do this real quick so that I can essentially farm some content while I eat my sandwich. Come on, I want you over there. I want you over here. Yeah, that's perfect. Beautiful. I got a PB&J and a banana going. Oh. Oh. Thanks. Anyway. Might have been planned, but it's so hilarious. Yeah, these are good.
Oh shit!
Oh. Finally got the button showing. Nice. Oh yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Bicycle kick. Last time I only showed the play button. Nice. What was the problem? Define what you did. Jesus, that sucks. No.
Pause.
Under attack. Quick, send in the Millennium Falcon.
Yep, all that coming. Yeah, get him, Spider-Man.
Внимание, блять, на такие нахуй. Где кот?
Jesus. I lost a really cool hat on a boat once. I was in Sanibel with some friends. We were riding a boat. I have a friend with a boating license. I just didn't tighten it down in my head. It was a great hat. I'm really sad I lost it. Damn, I got it at 7-Eleven for super cheap and I couldn't find a replacement of it after I lost it that day. I was so sad. L Sporp. Oh, shit. Oh, I can show off that gear thing I made too. I'll do that after I eat. Urgh. For anyone just tuning in, I'm eating food, watching memes, and then we're gonna get into coding. Oh yeah. Oh, and wish me luck. I got an improv show tonight. My team's starting to mesh. It's nice. It's a unique format. It's called Meanwhile, where instead of, I don't know, like the Herald, you scene paint, and then the transitions, instead of wiping, where you run across the stage, you announce Meanwhile, and then you put a character in a situation, a character in a location doing something unusual. It's pretty fun. Gives you a few more building blocks to your scene than just starting off raw, which is dope. Been really loving improv lately. Had rehearsal yesterday and a jam. Bing bang boom. It's fun. If you've never done improv, I recommend it. Hell yeah, the play button worked. Alright, one more. Oh, the shoes end. Ugh.
The salami and the cheese, you know.
You got the fucking salami, you fucking floated like across the road.
You just go and talk to
fucking
the
right.
Hello.
Oh my god.
I hate this thing. It's very creepy. Stop! Like, this thing just running at you at night is freaky. Don't,
sucks. Damn. Falling and losing your food, that's two, like, gut punches in a row. Wubby said this recently about how getting our glasses hit off is just a stun lock. So true. But, I don't know. Eating shit and losing the thing you're eating, that's heartbreaking. Quit button works. Hell yeah. We're making progress, dude. You're flying today. I'm at a place right now with my client at work for my small business where I'm solving this really crunchy problem in terms of SQL database calls and transferring that into essentially picking up the file generated as a CSV and then converting it into JSON objects, objects in memory, to be sent as JSON to the front end after processing. But it is, whew. I'm glad you're flying after being stuck. Time out to learn how to make the pause menu. Nice, man. Keep going. Don't stop. Something's gonna fly at you. No, it's not. Oh shit. Oh shit.
To fix this one, but the rest held. And we decided to do. Oh my god!
Oh, they better be demoing that house. That sucks. That would fuck up your floor. Someone might have thrown like a piece of ammunition in the fire. It just pops. It doesn't actually like shatter or fragmentate. Is that the right word? Let's get on in on that sandwich bite. PB&J, super soft white bread. What they used to call me in high school. I feel like my sense of humor sucks sometimes, but at least I make myself laugh. That's what matters. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is the best thing I've ever printed. Look at that. It's just a box cutter, but it's the CSGO ass. Opa. I'm gonna go bother a friend of mine. Tell him to watch me on stream. The ASMR. What are you talking about? Are you talking about the gears? Might as well show those off. Because I finished them last night. Or 2 nights ago, I don't remember which. Yeah, the gears. Yeah. So this is the mechanism that I printed. I gotta be a little careful so it doesn't tip out. Because there's nothing retaining these. If it goes vertical, all the gears might spill out. So if I... There we go. So if I push this in one direction, the rack's lower, and if I push it in the other one, they raise. And the idea is it's a locking mechanism for the lid of a Magic the Gathering commander box. Oh shit, I got a friend's birthday coming up. Let me double check the invite. It'd be cool to... I might have missed it. June 22nd. What's happening to 22nd? Maybe. Maybe. Talk to Mrs. Spark about this. But this cool shit. Sorry, I gotta keep jiggling the keys in front of my audience. So the idea is these two linearly actuating racks. As I slide it open, it'll open. Slide it shut, it'll close. This is one of my failed Commander tests. Looks like that. Little window for your Commander in the front. Essentially looks like that, so that your artwork is displayed, but there's plexiglass protecting your cards. And on the back, what I want is this to sort of fit on like that, which I actually got the dimensions pretty close. Alright. And as I actuate, the lid will slide in that direction, so there'll be a stop here instead of this piece being opened. And as I move this rack at the bottom, I'll be able to open my case and then take off the lid. That's what I meant about them not being locked in. Let me replace these real quick. Yeah, the gist of it. Lid's on the top, locked in place with these two linearly actuating racks. So it stays in place while this is shut like that. You open it up, and then you're allowed to slide the lid out. And then you can slide it back in, and shwa, lock it up. It would be really cool. It took me a little while yesterday to, well, 2 days ago to figure out I drew this design ages ago. I never finished it, but it's so cool. It's funny, as the gears travel, I tried making these different sizes once, but the size of the gear determines essentially how quickly it rotates, because as you get closer to the center of a circle, the less distance is traveled. And I want these two racks to travel at the same distance at the same time. So all these gears, this one here could be any size because it's between both racks, and no matter how much it moves, it'll move the same amount for both. But these offshoots, these two and this one, all have to be the same size. That's just the way the math works out. I'm a computer engineer. I'm not a mechanical. Ugh. Humble brag. Hell yeah, brother.
No te compro nada, pedazo de sorete. ¿Viste vos, Marco, la tienda? Después dice, ey, mira, mira.
Oh, that sucks. What the? God damn that power. Yeah, there it goes. Heartbreaking.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna try to stop it. This was a beater. No. Oh, oh.
El pinche gato.
Oh.
Ya salió. Ahí estaba. Bom dia. Puta que pariu, mano.
Let me get a beer.
Let's see what kind of a shot you are, Pilgrim. Take a crack at this bottle.
Vamos de bom dia. I saved it.
been sitting here for like 10 minutes just eating these gummies. They're really fucking good. They're strawberry flavor, right? I might not fucking wake up.
What are you doing? Dog? Dog, are you turtling right now? Anyway, I'm not this kind of person. What do we got over here, Enchanted? I'm making a 2D movement to get good movement. Then make some art tomorrow. I need to step to the art tomorrow, possibly. Okay. That sounds like a plan. Speaking of the plan, let's pop up some code. Let's see where we're at. WebApp. Start both the front end and the back end. The database is already running. Pixel art, okay, cool. It did some dithering in my day. Bang, bing. Yeah. Turn that down a little bit. Oh yeah, I love that. Y'all hear me okay over the music? Ba-bam. It's Y, B, submit, and create the lobby. Submit, join lobby with ID 75. R, submit, join the lobby 75. Y, B, R. Start it up. Never mind. Ah, I thought I fixed this crap. What are you doing? Yeah. What's going on with you? Let's try this again. Start my game. Come on. How did I fix this issue last time? Damn. Reading undefined. Playmat 3D. Did I not save it or something? What the fuck? Table builder. Playmat 3D. I guess we can conditionally render all these. Should help. Not factories. Just return. And I'll do the same thing. I'll do the same thing with batteries. If not batteries, return. Let's boot it back up. Bing, bang. Bong. Why? Why? BB. RR. Submit. Yeet. Not read copy of factories. Okay. How about I guess that I'm directly calling this. Let's try it again. Ugh, this testing protocol is really sucking. Start it up. Alright, so my player state array. Yeah, it's not PC return. Alright, let's try a couple consoles here. So looks like it's working. Player ID, and let's get player state. Alright, I gotta come up with something better than this. Ideally, I'd really love a macro. Allegedly, I can just do this on my system. Create the lobby. CB. Send. 79. RR. Submit. 79. Y. One of these I'm going to log. Start the game. Null and undefined. Okay. So it should have. Why are you null? Playing that 3D. Right, so this is not working. So the question is the object not being pushed up? Players comes in from my table builder. Table builder, cur player, and players. Board testing. Curve player. And players. I'm basically just working my way up the chain. These are useless. For now. Go back over here. Start it up again. Y. Submit. Create lobby. B. So what I'm doing here is I'm grabbing the token. And I'm doing it in this way so that I can create authorized users and then add authorized users to these socketed connections so that people who sign up from the site can play and we don't get randos in lobbies. Y, E, R. Start it up. These are probably... Okay, so we're seeing stuff. Board testing. I got my IDs. The player ID is null. That's not great. That should not be the case. So somewhere in the object that I'm sending, my player ID is not getting set. Yeah, player ID null. Okay. Where is that happening? I think it's on a join somewhere. Game started. So this is on my add player to game, my player ID. Ooh. Alright, so I think I made a bad assumption here on my back end. So what's coming in? Player data, P. Alright, let's debug P. Debug. Can anyone tell me the origin of the term bug? How it came to be in computer science? Restart that. Don't really need to restart the front end because that hot loads. That front end's full of hot loads. I cracked myself up. B. Submit. Join the lobby 81. Bang. Let's get rid of that to-do list so you can see a bit better what's going on. And then R. Submit. Join lobby 81. Y. B. R. Now we're gonna see what is happening. Okay. Game ID. So I'm not sending player ID. Now right now this opens me up to a race condition. I'm trying to pull player ID from the front end so that it is uniform, which means on my lobbying system on my lobbying system, I'm not sending the player ID. Yes. How did this ever work? Excuse me. Alright, so what I can do here is this same function, players.length. So players is a hook that keeps track of my... I'm hamming it up a little bit. I'm just going to say const. I get this from my mom. I sneeze once, I sneeze 1,000 times. Alright, player ID is equal to that, and I'm just send that to both. I'll put game ID by the end. Alright, this should fix it. Oh, I need to restart the server. just in case. YY, create the lobby, BB. Excuse me. And lobby 82. R, submit. Join lobby 82. Pick my colors, yellow, blue, red. Start the game. There we go. All right, game's fixed. Huzzah. Beautiful. Whew. I'm steamy up here.